In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your order on Shein with ease and confidence. Whether you're eagerly awaiting a new outfit for a special occasion or simply restocking your wardrobe essentials, keeping tabs on your shipment is important. Let's make sure you know exactly where your package is at any moment. First, let's head straight to the Shein website. If you're accessing this on a desktop or your mobile device, simply enter the Shein website address into your browser's address bar and hit enter. This is your starting point, the hub for all your shopping adventures on Shein. Now, once the site has loaded, take a moment to locate the Personal Center. The Personal Center is essentially your private space on the site, where all your account details and activities are consolidated. It's usually represented by an icon resembling a person or labeled as account at the top of the homepage. Give that a click. Now that you're in your Personal Center, you'll notice a menu item labeled My Orders. This is the section that holds all the details of every purchase you've made with Shein. Clicking My Orders will open a list of all your orders, including both current and past transactions. Do you see the order that you're looking to track? If not, ensure you're logged into the correct account. Assuming you've found the order you're waiting to receive, click on it to view more detailed information. Here, you'll find a section dedicated to your order's shipping status. This area is crucial because it tells you the current status of your package from the moment it's shipped to its estimated delivery date. Closely located to this shipping status zone is the Track button. This is your direct link to find out exactly where your package is in the shipping process. Go ahead and click the Track button. Once you do, a new screen should reveal itself, detailing the journey of your package. Here, you can see every stop it's made along the way and how soon it will arrive at your doorstep. Tracking updates might include checkpoints like dispatch from the warehouse, arrival at sorting facilities, or clearance at customs. Each of these points helps piece together the complete picture of your package's journey. And there you have it. You're all set. Keeping track of your orders is as simple as that. It's always reassuring to know exactly where your purchase is, and now you're equipped with the knowledge to do just that on Shein. If you ever have any issues or the tracking seems off, don't hesitate to reach out to Shein's customer service for assistance. They are there to ensure you have a smooth and enjoyable shopping experience. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy shopping on Shein.